This is the Aldi 2019 8-inch table saw. Just a quick tutorial, a how-to on how we change the blade. You just need the two little spanners that come with the machine. To begin with, make sure the blade is at the lowest it will go and lock it in at 90 degrees. We then turn the machine on its side, remove the 4 screws from the access panel, and we're going to remove the access panel just to make it clearer, easier to see how we change the blade. So we have the nut on there, the large one on the nut, the small one to hold the spindle in place, eyesight's going, Steve.
Yeah, it is. Can't see it.
There we go. And then lefty-loosey, we're bringing them in together. So we're bringing the spanners together to undo. That should be enough. We should be able to finger remove the nut and then the flange. To remove the blade, just tilt it slightly, and just enough clearance to remove the blade. And then to refit it, just have everything in reverse. Put the blade in at an angle, the bottom going in first, closest to you first. Making sure it sits on the bottom flange. Top flange. The nut. So this time we're going away from each other, pushing away to tighten it. We'll then put back on the cover, screw it on, and we're ready to go.